I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. Every time you ask me out, I say maybe next time. Have so many things to do, so boy, just get in line. You need to book a schedule if you wanna cross my mind. You will have to wait, but I am sure it's worth a try. You know time is money. 60 seconds on no running. So if you wanna make it work, honey, I have a little window, let me start counting. 3, 2, I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. You know time is money. 60 seconds on no running. So if you wanna make it work, honey, I have a little window, let me start counting. 3, 2, I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. You and I, not a couple I know. Friends that really kiss friends, don't like that they don't. You and I, not a couple I know. Friends that really kiss friends, no. Friends don't kiss like that, like that, like that. Friends don't kiss like that, like that, like that. When you look at me like that, I kinda like that. It feels so good, I feel so bad. I still want to have this dance. Let's take a chance. You give me the thrill, like automobile, and I can tell what you really feel. You give me the touch, I think it's too much. I don't wanna get my hopes up. That is why we are tiptoeing round and round this matter. You my Jagger, I'm Taylor Swift, so I like each other. You and I, not a couple I know. Friends that really kiss friends, don't like that they don't. You and I, not a couple I know. Friends that really kiss friends, no. Friends don't make my heart go on. Friends don't touch me like the touch. Friends don't make me go, oh my god. Friends don't kiss like that, like that, like that. Friends don't kiss like that, like that, like that. Friends don't kiss like that, like that, like that. Friends don't kiss like that, like that, like that. When you look at me like that, I kinda like that. It feels so good, I feel so bad. I still want to have this dance. Let's take a chance. I can't stop thinking about you, 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 you. I can't stop thinking about you, 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 you. I can't stop thinking about you, you, about you. I can't stop thinking, I can't stop thinking about you. sweet melodies combined. Every time I close my eyes, it's your face I see. In every single moment, you're the only.
La 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 la.
What happened, Sue?
Sammy, could you bring me a drink, please? I'm so tired.
Sure, Susie. Here you are. Whoopsie. All right. Carefully. Ugh. Ah!
Sammy, oh no! I just cleaned up.
Sue, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
I wish I had minions, little helpers.
You want me to try again and you can have a rest?
No, Sammy, I have a better idea, and this way we won't be at risk of spilling anything. Come on. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a Minion fountain machine for soda. Isn't that great? Sammy, could you please bring me a popsicle stick?
I knew you were gonna need it. Here.
Thank you, Sammy. You are always ready to help. Now we need to apply some glue here. And just a blob there. Guys, be very careful with the glue gun. It's very hot.
Safety comes first, my friends.
You're right, Sammy. As I see, you've taken all the precautions. That is so smart of you. There's no machine without wires, right?
Be careful with the soldering iron. Use it only under adult supervision.
I was wondering, maybe you want to see a little trick? Wow, so neat.
I wanted to make the same piece by myself. Did I do good?
Sammy, you're my great helper, of course. But look closely.
Oh, I forgot the popsicle stick. But if you wait, I'll just...
No, Sammy, it's okay. I know what to do. I need something to secure these somehow.
Will this work?
Oh, perfectly. Thank you. Let's put these rubber bands here. Sweet.
I know that you're gonna need this next.
And right you are again. Guys, we need to make an opening in this plastic lid. We'll use an owl. There we go. Now let's make some noise. Ask an adult to help you with the drill.
We need to insert this into the opening.
Thank you, Sammy. Actually, how did you know?
We've made a fountain machine before. Guys, you can find that video on our channel. And here's the glue once again.
It's important to seal the edges so our soda doesn't leak. There we go. Be very careful. The glue gun is not a toy. And it's done. So guys, everything's ready for the next step.
Wait! It's important to do a test run. Here, I've prepared everything.
Oh, thank you. You're right, Sammy. We need to make sure that there are no leaks. All right, we assembled the first chain. We need to connect the tube and the pump.
We need to test the pump too, so I brought something.
Wow, awesome! It's like you have a sixth sense. Now we'll insert this part into the bottle and close the lid. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Let's roll! Whoa! Hurrah! It works like a charm!
Let's make a nice case for our machine so that we can hide all the content. For this, we need to make little pieces like this. I hope nobody here is against craft magic. Yay!
And this is a little switch.
That goes right here. Perfect.
Okay, all right. Sue, wanna see a trick too?
Oh, sure. Go ahead, Sammy.
Make way for Craft Master Sam! Done!
Whoa, great job, Sammy. We only need to set pumps and a battery.
But first, we need to cover the wires.
Right. We'll do it using this piece with a little opening for the switch. It goes right here. And we'll pull the wires through it this way.
Sue, check out what I made.
Let me see. This piece looks funny, like a snout. But actually, it plays an important role. It covers and protects the wires. And here comes the second wire. Whoosh! And it's done. Sammy, did you do that?
I was not alone.
I think I know who helped you. You look just like one of them. only you're pink.
That was the whole point. But the minions went off to do their business.
Well, something important is waiting for us, too. Let's start building the walls for our machine. We'll begin with the front wall, but I think we need to decorate it beforehand. Sammy, do you have any ideas?
Banana, banana, banana.
Oh, right. We need palm trees and something for the beach. I think this will do. Just perfect.
Sue, I'm done. It seems like I've got minion fever. Ah!
Stop panicking, Sammy. You'd better come and help me. Let's build up more walls. Hey, Sammy, how are you there?
Phew, I feel energetic and pink again. And I can't wait to see the result.
Me too, Sammy. I think it's gonna be really great. All right, let's insert the tubes. Awesome.
Sue, help me.
Oh, sure.
Oh, that was close.
Oh, I think it's too heavy for you. Don't you remember what happened last time? Let's take 2 more. It's always nice to have a choice. Ready to have fun, guys? Wow, that was cool, right?
Yeah, Sue, that's what I call magic.
Thank you. That's so nice of you to say.
Oh, I know what I can do while you're busy here.
And done. Oh, that's even better.
Sue, check out what I made.
Wow, you did great, Sammy. Thanks to these stickers, we know what we'll be putting in our glasses. This one goes here. Coke. Sprite is the second one. And this is the place for Fanta. As you know, minions are small but rather stout creatures shaped like a capsule or a soda can.
I thought it would be convenient to hide the chain inside it.
Huh, that's a good idea. Oh,
Sue, I noticed 2 holes in the bottom. I guess you need to take another can.
you're very attentive to the details. This is an important feature for a craft master, but everything is thought through, Sammy. You'll see it later.
Sue, help. I have a little problem here.
Oh, you are tangled again.
Oof, thanks, Sue.
It will look better on the can. What do you think? Whoosh! Awesome.
Yeah, well, at least I can move freely now.
And dance. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba.
Sue, there's no time for games.
A little bit of fun won't do any harm. We'll insert the wire, and the legs are set. Sammy, did you do that?
Of course, who else? I don't waste time on games, you know.
Would you look at this serious slime?
Work hard, play harder, right?
Well, yes, I can't argue with that.
I decided to clean up a bit. Do we need this for the craft?
Yeah, you're just in time. Now let's attach the wires and hide this in one of the minions.
La 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 la. Oh, what's this?
I've been looking for them. We need these lids for the craft. By the way, Sammy, do you like making crafts all by yourself from scratch? Such a responsibility, right?
Maybe you've forgotten, Sue, but I'm a craft master.
Oh, I'm sorry, great master. I never doubted your skills.
What's the most important thing for a craft master? Firm hands, of course.
That's right.
Will you need the rest of them, too?
Of course. Each of our minions will need his arms. That's how they'll help pour soda.
Then I'm sending these arms to the minions. Whoop!
Yep, that's exactly what I meant. Great job, Sammy.
Sue, I designed the final look of our craft. Are you ready for the presentation?
Yes, I can't wait to see it.
The main idea of this craft is tropical holidays. After a long, hard crafting, everybody needs a rest. There is nothing better on a hot summer day than a light breeze and a cold, refreshing soda.
May I add some flowers, Sammy?
Yes, you may. Yes, that's exactly what I had in mind.
You did a great job, Sammy. I'm really impressed. And thanks for letting me add some details.
It came out so wonderful. My work is done here. Wait for me. I'll get glasses.
While Sam's off, let's take a closer look at our craft. Well, Sammy, are you ready to test our Minion machine?
Of course I am!
Which one do you want to try?
Sue, just pour me something. I'm thirsty.
As you wish.
How much longer, Sue? I can't wait anymore.
There you go.
Thanks, Sue.
While Sammy is busy, I'll